the mixer, where mixed with cement water. The mixture is transported to the silo of column machine. The columns are formed under the reaction force of eccentric block pushed. The column can be cut to ideal length after 4 hours maintenance. After 20 hours of maintenance, they can be lifted and transported to the storage yard for maintenance. We are a professional concrete machinery manufacturer providing technical guidance, site design, machine maintenance training services. Welcome to consult more questions.